Hello guys, so gotta get my car towed. Tow truck is over there. Yeah, man, sucks. It died on me after getting out of work. So yep, been here for like 3.5 hours. So yeah, my dad came, he's here chilling. There's my G, there's my baby, man. He's moving his car right now, but man, there it is. Looks pretty up there, but it sucks, man. It doesn't want to start still. I think it might be the battery and the alternator, or I don't know, one or the other, or both. All right, man, so at least we got her home. It sucks, but you know, it is what it is. The tow truck guy did say that it probably is the alternator, so my dad had assumed that it was too. Okay, so Roger is gonna come earliest is Sunday, so my baby's gotta sit here. But I'm gonna try to get my car in the driveway. Me, Kenny, and my mom can try to like get it up there, because I don't want it to sit out in the street. Plus my window is kind of like low. Watch. I don't know, I guess the guy tried to like do something. The window went down, the battery, alternator. I'm gonna try to get my battery done, alternator, and my belts. So Roger said he can do it, but the earliest is Sunday. So I won't be able to drive my baby for a few days, but hopefully it'll be worth it. All this money I'm putting into her. So yeah, I'll let you guys know, update on what's gonna happen next with the G. We'll see. What is up, guys? We're back with it. So just woke up again. It's like 3, almost 4 p.m. Rogers came. I'm gonna get new belts. You guys, there they are right there. Also alternator, since my car didn't want to start, and I think, and then also probably a battery. So we'll see.
To get all the wiring hooked up. And you know what? It's a good thing I moved the fan anyway, because.
Alright guys, so Roger installed the alternator and the belts. See them right there. You can't see the alternator, can you? Oh yeah, you can, right there. So yeah, yes. So the bottom part is done. Now it's just the battery, and I think that's about it. So, G35 battery. Look at that, it's so dirty, bruh. It's okay. But it's starting to drizzle again, so damn, hopefully we can get this done before it starts to rain. And I'm about to go to work with like 4 hours of sleep, so double shot Starbucks it is. First start up after the new alternator, new belts, and new battery. Yeah. There you go, guys. Shout out to Roger. He is a magician. New belts. Thalia! 1 year today.
It's your birthday, you're 1.
Birthday girl. Oh. Damn. There you go.
Keep going.
Wow. Yeah. Happy birthday to you, and many more.
Blow the candle. Blow it. Blow it.
No, she's going.
Blow it. Look. Blow.
There she's smiling. Let's go. Yeah, you like it? You like it? Woo! You could be in the parade. Go Thalia, drift, 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 Tokyo drift. Yeah, you like it?
I'm taking a picture. Thalia, look. Thalia, look. Thalia, hi mama. Thalia.
Good morning. Yo. Ooh, we got some fucking bird shit on my window. You guys see it? Yeah, it's there. All right, so I'm gonna get some Roy's tacos. Let's fucking go, dog. All right, took like a 2-hour nap. cold start. Let's check it out. I'm gonna try to use Ken's car to hold it up for me. Let's see. All right, not the best angle, but I'll take it. Yo, what is up? Continuing this video vlog. I'm not too sure what it's gonna be yet, but I'm on the way to my brother Ryan's house. So I'm trying to drive while doing this, so let's see what happens. Wearing my Infinity hat. You guys can't see it right now, but he actually rented a water slide. So your boy is gonna go water sliding. You guys are gonna see some clips right now. But yeah, so I got a new setup for my gaming, a new desk, thanks to Ryan as well. I had a 3-day weekend, pretty fun, pretty eventful, man. It's really busy actually, so yeah. What is up, guys? Let's go. Here with Ryan, Chelsea, Thalia. Yeah. Wait, what is that over there? Damn. Ryan with the invite of this water slide. He said it was fun, so.
It's for you, Steven.
Oh, it's for me? Oh, look at Ryan, look at him go. Uh-oh, he said it's so much fun, so I can't wait to jump in there. Ready? Damn. Do it for your viewers.
Fuck!
He said it's too cold. Come on.
Shit! Fuck! Oh, that's cold. It's not too bad.
Need a haircut, man. Alright, let's go. Shit. Here we go. Ryan put soap so it's slippery. Oh, there's Ryan. Fuck. My phone's gonna get so wet. Alright, here we go. Oh shit! Hey! We're good. On two. Holding the phone, one hand. Oh shit! Oh. My hair's fucked up. Oh shit! Fuck, it got wet. Ah! The impossible. Looks like he just gave up on it. Slipped already. What the hell?
Ready?
Yeah.
My best move?
Best moves. And try to see. You can see his legs. Oh! Oh shit! Let's go, dude.
Oh shit!
This guy.
Ah!
Look at this guy.
Oh shit! Ah!
Oh, wait, backwards? Let's see it.
I don't know how to do it. Ah!
Look at this guy. What the? You gotta center that out.
Ah! Oh shit!
Look at the little baby over here looking all sexy and shit. Damn, what a nice picture. We actually added some soap to the top. Ryan's about to go up there right now and yo, just watch this. All right, guys, there he goes. All right, Ryan, you're up. Do any trick that you want, bro. Oh, shoot. You all right? It's slippery? Did you pee or something? You don't know. Yeah, do your best trick. Yeah. You gonna go fast? All right, ready. Oh, shit. Yo, what the? You all right? Look at these marks. What? Dude.
What the hell, dude?
Oh, I forgot to tell you, we added some extra soap, bro. Oh, look at your legs.
Oh,
So guys, oh my gosh, that sun is bright. Chilling.
Ready? go.
My hair is crazy, bro. I need a haircut. Oh yeah. It's cold.
You cold? Okay, baby, come on.
Thalia!
Go.
Thalia!
Go.
Ah! Yay! All right, let's go. Selfies. Oh shit! They went down together. Oh! Oh!
Go, Steven.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, thank you for the food. They're so beautiful. The what?
You go film all of them.
Alright guys, so I'm ending the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you, every single view, every single like, every single comment. I love when you guys comment, so comment down below anything you guys want to talk about. Thank you guys, like I said again, so much for everything, all the support you guys have been giving me throughout the years. I love vlogging, I love, you know, doing YouTube and stuff like that just for fun. So yeah, smash that like button and I'll see you guys on the next video. Laters.